Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. I came across a cool song from PREVAIL. This song is called Deep End, so it has some power to it, some rock-ish song here. So let's take a look at this one. We don't need any capo for this one, and we have 4 chords that goes in the same order through the entire song in different ways. So we'll look at the chords first. Let's start with the A. That is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And we have the C sharp minor. It's a bar chord. You place the bar here on the 4th fret over all strings except from the last E here, so 5 strings from bottom up. And then the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Then we have the E. And that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And then we'll go with the B chord here. It's a B sus version for me here, what I'm using. And that's a bar chord from the bottom up here, 5 strings, so all strings except from the last E here in the bass on the 2nd fret. And then the rest will be 4th on D, and then 4th on G. All right, so there we have the chord progression: A to C sharp minor to E, and to B sus or B7 could work here as well. So it's up to you. The B7 is the same grip there with the bar finger, and then the rest will be 4th on D and 4th on B. So you can move up from the B7 to the B sus. It's up to you. Okay, so there we have the chord progression. Now let's take a look at this lick going on here. It's based upon this chords, of course, so they come in the same order. So the first one will be like this. All right, so that's the A. You're gonna play 2 times on the open A string, then the second D, then 2 times on open A, then second D, then 1 time on open A, and 1 time on second D. All right, so that will pretty much be the pattern for this melody here for all the chords. So bass, bass, then second D, bass, bass, which is the open A, second D, bass, and second D. When you do this, it's nice, you can mute it a little bit. So what I'm doing here, I use my palm here and I lean it on top of the strings here in the back end, and then I strum with my finger here. All right, so that's the rhythm. Let's take the next here for C sharp minor. What you do now is that you keep the 2nd fret on the D string where it is, and you just add the 4th fret on the A. So now this is the grip. All right, I'm using that with my ring finger because I'm gonna use and need my little pinky here pretty soon. The pattern goes like this. All right, so that will be 4th on A. That's now the new bass, 2 times. Then second D. Then 4th A, 2 times again. Now you add the 4th on D with a little pinky. Then you go back to 4th on A and go back to 2nd on D. So slowly like this. All right, so that's the C sharp minor. Then we have the E. You still keep the 2nd on D string there, and you're gonna play this part. Okay, so the pattern is exactly the same as the A. Now instead you have the open E as a new bass. So open E 2 times, then second D, then open E 2 times, second D, open E, and second D. And then we have the final part, the B, and you do this move to this grip. 2nd fret on A string and 1st fret on D string. You're gonna play Now the second fret A string has a new bass 2 times. Then first on D. Then second A 2 times. First D, second A, and first D. Alright, so there we went through the chord progression. I'm gonna play it through from the beginning to the end here for you. Let's go. Alright, so there you have the main lick there. What you can do instead of playing this is just to play downs there from the full chords, and this is going on in the verse, okay? So you can also play downstrokes in the verse. You're going to use the same chords there, of course, A, C sharp minor, E, and B, and then you can play this. So what I do here, we can take A for instance. I'm gonna play 1 down just on the bass string or so, like this, and then I'm gonna answer with 3 downs more on the mid top strings. And that's the rhythm, so down, 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 like this. Instead of the melody, which is pretty much the same rhythm. All right. So that is how to handle the verse. Now let's take a look at the chorus. So the chorus is pretty much strumming there, and we're gonna play 1 round will be 4 downs. So this is 1 round. All right, so it's 4 downs, and I'll play the 3rd down more on the top strings. The other ones, the 1st, 2nd, and 4th, I play more on the bass. So bass, bass, top, bass. That's 1 strum around, all right? So you're gonna play 2 rounds per chord, so slowly it goes like this. So that is the chorus part, and that is pretty much what you need for this song. But we have one extra thing here at about 2 minutes and 11 seconds into the song. You can take it up to 1 extra level here, because the strumming here changes a little bit. All right, so it goes with the same chords, but you're gonna use them in the same in different ways here when it comes to strumming. It's not the easiest part here to learn. I can demonstrate it for you, and I can teach how to do that, and then you have to practice, or you can just skip that and just play in the same way you play the chorus. So this is just an extra level here. But anyway, let's take a look at the transition here from the A to C sharp minor. So you're gonna play the first part here for A, and then you're gonna play the same for E. So the A to C sharp minor, you will play that in the same way for E to B. All right, so let's take a look at the A first. So you're gonna play down, down, up, down, down, up. All right, so down, down, up, down, down, up. And then you immediately go to the next chord, in this case the C sharp minor. And you're gonna play down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, so C sharp minor was down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then you go to the next chord, E, play the same as A, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then you go to B and play down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So slowly it goes like this, A to C sharp, and then E to B. So it's a bit difficult there, and yeah, you have to perhaps listen to the song and look at this tutorial to match those things together and practice. But this is just some extra stuff there. Otherwise, go with the chorus, standard chorus play, and that's it, my friends, when it comes to I Prevail Deep End. Great rock song there, so give it a try, and till next time, play tuned.